Hello guys, welcome to CAD Cloud. And in this tutorial, we're going to be handling a 3D questions and isometric questions. I believe you've come across the isometric question. So we are going to start by drawing the rectangle, which measures 55 by 170. 55. Let's do the total. It becomes 170. 55. Then you press tab. Enter 170. Enter. In the circle there are some in the rectangle there are some circles. There's some circle at 20 centimeters from the center. So you offset the line. Just type offset, specify offset distance, select 20, enter, select object, 20 from this line. You can see it is selecting the whole of it, so you will have to break. Just type break or explode any, select object, enter. You see it has broken, so it is now offset. You offset, select specify offset distance, enter 20, enter, select object, then you click there. Is a circle over there, and also offset by 20. Set this line by 20 to get the center where the circle will be. The other circle is at 75 from this line, so you offset by 75. So you enter, then you enter again to repeat the command. Enter, specify offset distance 75. Enter, specify object to offset. Click here. Then you draw the circles. This is a hole of diameter 15. So circle with diameter 15. Diameter 15. 15. Enter again to repeat the command. And the other circle is diameter 30. Diameter 30. Take 30. Enter. Variable 30 meters. That's too big. Enter. Escape. Circle command, circle diameter. It was diameter 30, so diameter 30. Yeah. Then you repeat the same here. Diameter 15. You see it is typing the radius. You can select diameter here. Enter 15. Enter again to repeat the command. 30. Enter. I don't know why it is doing a bigger circle. Delete. Circle command 30. At the command line, it is giving us the radius, so you select diameter. Specify diameter, yeah, 30. Enter. Yeah, with that now you can press pull our object. To press pull, you can erase this line. This one you can press E. And this select E. Enter. From there we press pull. We join so that you can press pull. Type join. Yeah, join. Select object. You just select all of it, and I just joined. You press pull the object. Select press pull. Yeah. Select object. Downwards it is by 15. Give the width 15. Select this one 0, 15. Escape. Sorry. Control Z. We needed it to go up, so we'll have to undo. So we'll need it to go up. Going upwards. Select the object upwards. Then enter. Then you select the inner circle, the outer circle. Split by yeah, split by 10, so that you give it an allowance of 5. And split this one by 10 also. Give it an allowance of 10. And that object is done, so we'll have to draw the other one. We'll draw it in parts. The second object will be in the right plane. So you pan to